Yesterday, just don't mind the clothesline. Yesterday I went out and I picked a bunch of apples off my tree. Mostly from this side, because this side was mostly red. This side, they're still a bit green. So I took mostly a lot of them off. Oh, and there's a wasp here. Oh my god. Hey now. See, there's a lot still there that you could see. They're still green. And a lot of them got brown spots all up in the branches. And as you guys can see, I'm making homemade applesauce. The reason why it's a little bit brown, I adds a little bit of cinnamon into my applesauce. A lot of people do. There's my chopper there. I put it down to blend up some of the apples because like some of the chunks I cut way too big. But it's boiling down there now anyway. I also have a mason jar here of homemade apple jam for my dad. And I got a half of a jar for myself. But like I said, I'm not so much one for jam. I'd rather the applesauce, so that's what I'm making. This year, I'm going to try not to let any of my apples go to waste. My cherries are all gone. The birds got those eaten before I could get to them. So I'm making applesauce. I made apple jam. And since I got so many apples, what I might do, I might make some apple pie filling because Thanksgiving is coming up. So I still got, see that bag right there? That bag is full of apples from my tree. And there's still more out there like I showed you guys. I'm going to try not to let, like I said, anything go to waste this year. I made rhubarb jam out of my rhubarbs. The only thing I never got out doing this summer, I forgot all about it, and I've been busy, was berry picking. I should have got out and picked some berries. My dad, in the old age home, they have loads of gardens that the seniors can do. They can do all kinds of gardening. There was lots of little potatoes left over. They don't usually take them. So my dad was like, the little ones are the best ones, which is true. When I was a kid, I used to love the little ones. So I took them, peeled them, and I got them boiling for them. And I'll just put that into a storage container for him when I go and see them tomorrow. Now, as soon as these two things are cooked, I'm going to start on supper. I just finished making dinner probably about a hour ago. But like I said, I like to cook ahead of time. So that way it's not taking me like hours to do. We come down first the beach for a ride. And the sun is setting. And you can see a ship. Well, I'll zoom in a minute. Oh, no, my camera's not picking it up. But there's a ship coming in way on the horizon from the sun. But anyway, the sun is setting over there. And the moon is right there. Right across from each other. See all those dark clouds over there? It looks like storm clouds, like it's going to pour and rain or something. But over here, I'm in my truck. The skies are clear. So it's coming this way apparently. It's very dark over that way, that part of town. So it's probably gonna rain. Look at the geese out there. I know this is not the thing. My camera's having trouble focusing. It's evening time. It's starting to get dark. I'm trying to get it to focus. But look at the geese out there on the golf course. Went upstairs in the attic yesterday. Got my hubby to take down the Halloween decorations. Those gel things that stick in your window. I had 2 packs. But like I said, the reason I took it down was because my dad wanted some decorations for his room at the old age home. So I went through, because I had lots. So I gave him some. I got a few items up already. I put up a few items. Oops. I got some plastic canvas ones. I've had them for years, so I just kept them. And there's my lantern. That lights up. There's a little switch on the bottom. Let me see. I'll show you some I got up. There's a couple I got up so far. Oh, there's some pumpkin lights. There's a big banner I got. It goes in your door. My wreath's in the way. I gotta take the wreath out of the door, out of the way. And there's that. It's a mobile. It's got like things that hangs right down to my table. And that's a little bat my sister bought me a couple of years ago. His eyes lights up. I think the batteries are dead in it right now, so I'm going to replace the batteries and I'm going to turn them on around Halloween. Now, this isn't Halloween. This is a fall wreath. It's the ones you can buy from your local dollar store. But what I done, I added to it. I put a bow, acorns, pine cones, and everything on it, just to make it look nicer, which is nice. I find it looks a lot better. And there's my skeleton. He's a little bit bent. He was in the container, and he was kind of bent when he was in there. So now he's gone all kind of weird shaped. And my sister bought me this. It's supposed to be like one of those crystal balls. It's all dusty. I gotta clean it off. See, it lights up. There's different settings you can put it on. Whereas daylight, you can't really tell. I gotta clean it off. It's all dusty. And I bought a few of those. My dad got some of them too. I gave him some. I also found another one of these wreaths in the container. I'm going to do it up just like the one on my door, and I'm going to give it to my dad so he'll have a wreath for his door, for his room. So I'll just show you guys a few of the decorations I found. I just brought them down yesterday. I only got a couple of Halloween things up so far. I got, watch, I'll show you underneath. All my Halloween candies bought is all in there. This is all mixed stuff. There's everything in there. There's gum, candies, everything. So I got my candy bought. I got my chips bought. So I'm all good for Halloween. So don't have to worry about it. I get everything early. While I was upstairs, I also found a Christmas wreath. It's still got the tag on it. It's the ones that you can do up yourself. So what I'm going to do this all fully up and pull the branches apart so it'll look better. But that's going to give me 2 wreaths to do. I love making wreaths and stuff like that. I love doing crafts. So that's next on my list to do. Oh, forgot to show you. I got this figurine here too. This one lights up. I'm not sure if the batteries works in it or not. Oh yeah, they work. Look inside the door. Look right there. And I got one more light up thing that my sister bought me. Every year she always buys me Halloween. I think you guys might have seen this here in one of my earlier videos anyway from Halloween. Okay, here's another ornament decoration for my sister. He does light up, but the batteries are dead in him right now. I'm going to have to put a new battery in. His mouth, eyes, and nose and everything all lights up inside. He's a tree stump. And it's got like a little thing next to it. But hopefully this Halloween, I'll be off work and I won't be working, because usually every Halloween I'm working. But hopefully this year I'm not. And if I'm not, I'll make a little short for you guys to see. I'll have my house all decorated and I'll show you like all the Halloween stuff. So I'll do that Halloween night if I'm off. But that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you the stuff that I've been doing during the week. I haven't had much time to film anything. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe.